Hello guys, yes, it's another day, another airdrop time for Venom this time. It will literally cost you nothing, another free airdrop, and you can potentially make, I don't know, 10,000, 15,000. When they go live, you get the coins, you can do whatever you want with them, you can hold them, you can sell them, you can sell a little bit. I usually sell a little bit and then see how it goes. Maybe it's going to be a solid project in the future, but for now they're just trying to build hype and they need your help with some transactions. Gonna install some wallet. There are literally 5 or 6 tasks, but the potential is huge. As you can see, there is already a lot of transactions, a lot of contracts, a lot of wallets, 2.8 million, which is huge. So this is definitely a popular project, so the coin should be popular as well. And 22% of the supply of the coin they're going to launch is going to be for us, the users, the community, that is going to help them obviously test the network. As you can see, there's a lot of things going on. There is going to be, it's like a whole blockchain. It's going to be NFTs, there's going to be transactions, all that stuff we're gonna do in a second. But as you can see, it's very big indeed. Honestly speaking, it could take much longer. If you go through all these things here on testnet, that's definitely going to be helpful. They will definitely remember that, and your wallet might get more tokens basically. But as you can see, there's tons of them, so it can take a while. I'm just gonna go through the basics and the most important ones. So step number 1, and you have all the checklist below the video as well, the step-by-step one. Step number 1, you're going to install the wallet, which you can see here on the main page. It will take you to the extension, depends what you have. You've got mobile and the Chrome ones, so I added mine to Chrome, to Brave, and as you can see here, it's on testnet. And we've got our wallet. You save your seed phrase, make sure write it down or keep it safe so you don't lose it in the future someday. Maybe you have a lot of money in there and you will want to recover it, so just make sure you save it somewhere safe right now when you create it, and you have your wallet like that. Then we're gonna go to do our first task. So as you can see here, this task will earn us the Venom, the testnet, so for now, but it doesn't matter, it's still going to help us do the other tasks. So connect the wallet, connect Twitter and follow them, check it, claim your tokens. You will yeah, it already connected with the wallet, so that's it. Now we have the wallet 50 Venom. As you can see, this page changed as well to test the testnet basically. So we're gonna do the other tasks. As you can see, all of them are here. You can do all of them, obviously that will help a lot, but we're gonna focus on a couple of them and obviously later try to do as many as you can. I'm gonna definitely spend not couple hours hopefully, but some time to do as much as possible. So we have another one to unlock NFT rewards. So this is basically simple. Connect Telegram, join the channel on Telegram, follow the YouTube channel as well. You can follow mine while you're at it as well. Thank you in advance. Okay, task completed, mint the NFT. So we've got the password again here. All right, nice. So we've got the NFT received in the wallet as well, so everything is fine. Let's check it here. It's here in the wallet as well, so very nice. Okay, so this is it. Another step, let's go back to the testnet. Right, start the testnet website, and again, as you can see, we can do the other tasks. So now we minted the coin, now we can send some Venom. So we're gonna do it like that. Copy the address, send Venom. So let's send 1 Venom maybe. Go to your wallet, send it, receiver, paste it. Okay, so it got the address the same, and let's send 1 Venom. Again, password, and they're sending. And now let's check it. Okay, so this is done. So as you can see, this is literally a matter of sending some money, bridging some money, getting some NFTs, minting some stuff. So let me just quickly go to some more difficult, let's say, if there's something like that. Some derivatives, some trading. So again, very simple. As you can see, follow someone, open long short position. So go to the website that they want you to go. Honestly, they have a ton of things. I wasn't expecting such an advanced project already. They put a lot of work in, so hopefully it's going to be really powerful, and I'm definitely going to do all the tasks. Looking at it now, how professional it looks. So we are here on graphics, let's say, connecting our wallet. Everything is interconnected with the wallet, obviously. They want us to open a position long short. So Bitcoin, don't press anything. 5 USD, okay, market, so it's opening right now. Long it, okay, we don't have USDT balance. Let me just change to something else. Okay, let's go first to DEX. That's why I wanted to jump too much, but we need to go to exchange to swap some money for USDT maybe first. So let's do this task and go to the DEX, which is this one here. We're gonna swap some Venom for USDT, and then we'll have some money obviously for the trading there. Okay, so as you can see, we are back here. We've got $2. So let's do max, open long BTC, boom. So as you can see, all this tasks are literally very similar. I know it might be confusing, but each of them give you some NFT, probably all of them, and then obviously all you have to do is follow them. Telegram, Twitter, do a task, and then mint your NFT. Go back to projects, and we did this one, the bridge. We did this one, and let's check this one that we just did. So very simple, but obviously if you struggle somewhere, get on our Telegram and ask me any questions. I'll try to help you. So we did this one now, it worked. So now we're gonna mint another NFT and just do step by step. There's a lot of them, but that's good. Maybe, you know, they will reward somehow people that did all of them. And as you can see, we've got 1, 2, and I think we had a third one now. Okay, we've got 3 here. Yeah, so you can see on top even all the achievements. So just make sure you do all of them. Some staking, which is simple, just stake the coin. Portfolio tracker, very cool stuff. Literally there's tons of stuff, but as I said, just go one by one and you should be fine. Wallet connected, do all the tasks, and do your Venom. Just don't stake too much, don't put too much so you don't lose all that. Maybe 1 Venom in each place or something, and just do it, and hopefully we can get a very nice fat airdrop and make some money. So thank you guys for watching.